Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung's biggest changes for the entire series lineup is discovered. According to the latest preliminary data, a key feature that was thought to be exclusive to the Galaxy S26 Ultra may appear on all Galaxy S26 models in the series. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The official launch of the lineup is just around the corner. According to recent rumors, the presentation could take place on February 25th. New leaks suggest exclusive features for the entire S26 lineup. New reports claim that the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra flagship is expected to feature a screen privacy feature that limits the visibility of content to prying eyes. Initially thought to be exclusive to the S26 Ultra version, new reports have emerged that the technology may also appear on other models in the series lineup. Samsung will equip its flagship Galaxy S26 Ultra smartphone with a privacy display feature designed to protect sensitive information from prying eyes. The technology was discovered in the One UI 8.5 user interface, according to Samiguru. The display will be based on Samsung's Flex Magic Pixel OLED panel with artificial intelligence that adjusts viewing angles. When viewed from the side, the screen dims while remaining bright for the user. According to leaks, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will return to an aluminum frame after 2 years of using titanium, which will reduce the weight of the device from 218 to 214 grams. Furthermore, wired charging may increase from 45 watts to 60 watts. The new Galaxy S26 series will reportedly be powered by two processors, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and the company's own Exynos 2600 chipset. The Ultra version will use only the Snapdragon processor for the Galaxy. It's unclear how the top model will differentiate itself from the rest if the screen protector feature becomes standard. Faster charging is seen as an evolutionary improvement rather than a major new feature. Minor changes that could improve the user experience are also mentioned, such as LPDDR5X memory, a larger main camera aperture, and deeper AI integration. The device's design is rumored to remain close to the previous model, and the price may remain the same. All information is unofficial, and subject to change before the official announcement, but it gives an idea of the possible specifications of the Galaxy S26 Ultra and other models in the series. The new Galaxy S26 series will launch in February 2026. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.